If you're doing any kind of work around the house, on a car, wherever it may be, you need a good socket set. When I first started out, I had a very basic socket set, and it got me through a lot of the things that came my way, a lot of the challenges and jobs I had my way. Once I started doing more work and my budget increased a little bit, I upgraded. You have a little lock unlock, so when you turn it to unlock, you can take the drawers out. This way they're not sliding out prematurely. Up top, you have everything that's smaller, so you have your small socket, right? Then you have all the heads that go for it. You have some Allen wrenches on the side. You have a straight wrench. You can pull down these little tabs. You can take the whole tray out afterwards. So here you also, with the lowest level one, we have also all the bits. So if I want to put a specific head in there, because I want to be doing some work, I have this guy that connects, boom. And then I can put whatever head I want in there. So whether it's an Allen or a screw, and it locks in very well. Here I just have some kind of implanted ones. They're ready to go, the most common ones. And this is just one level of it. All right, so we'll put this guy back for now. Open it up, we go up in size until we go, I believe it's like 3/8, until you get all the way up to 1/2 inch. Mine opens up a little bit rough because I like to use all the extra space. As you see, you do get quite a bit of just empty space in between. I like to use that for other things and other attachments that I use quite often. Here I have the Brussels head. I use this with my impactor. I put extensions in here that did not come with it. I put that in later for jobs that I'm doing. So besides it already coming in with a pretty good layout, but also it has a lot of empty space. That being said, as you work, you know what tools you use that you need, that, maybe a rarity in other fields. If you're working on Japanese JDM cars or you're working on German cars, you'll need different sorts of sockets, heads, and it has a lot of other empty space in it where you can be putting in those sockets and those heads to really get the most out of your main toolkit. And afterwards, everything cleans up in there, very neat, very snug. Boom, it closes in, and when I need to transport it, this handle comes up. You also have these two little clips on the side in case you want to work it with a strap. I haven't had a strap yet. I usually just bring up the handle, and when I'm ready to go at the end of the day, I just pick it up. Just don't forget to lock it. This way, if you do tilt it, the drawers don't come open accidentally. So I highly recommend to have one of these. This Craftsman set has been a lifesaver for me.